Here's some Like a Rolling Stone trivia. Subscribe. Which instrument prominently features in the song? Is it A, flute, B, piano, C, organ, or D, guitar? The correct answer is C, organ. In what city was Like a Rolling Stone recorded? Is it A, Chicago, B, Nashville, C, Los Angeles, or D, New York? The correct answer is D, New York. What was the original working title of the song? Is it A, Rolling Stones theme, B, Highway 61 Revisited, C, Like a Rolling Stone, or D, Tangled Up Blues? The correct answer is C, Like a Rolling Stone. Which famous artist has covered Like a Rolling Stone? Is it A, Bob Dylan, B, Eric Clapton, C, The Beatles, or D, Jimi Hendrix? The correct answer is D, Jimi Hendrix. In which year was the song selected for preservation? Is it A, 2010, B, 2012, C, 2015, or D, 2008? The correct answer is A, 2010. How many verses does the song have? Is it A, 2B, 4C, 7, or D5? The correct answer is B, 4. In which decade did Bob Dylan rise to fame? Is it A, 1950s, B, 1980s, C, 1970s, or D, 1960s? The correct answer is D, 1960s. What kind of imagery is used in the lyrics? Is it A, vivid, B, metaphorical, C, minimalistic, or D, abstract? The correct answer is A, vivid. Which historic event is mentioned in the song? Is it A, Civil War, B, Prohibition, C, moon landing, or D, marrying? The correct answer is D, marrying. What did the song reveal about modern society? Is it A, historical perspectives, B, technological advancements, C, social issues, or D, environmental changes? The correct answer is C, social issues. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.